Well, my dear students, in our previous sessions, we have learnt about spermatogenesis, oogenesis and fertilization. Now let us discuss about the post-fertilization changes. The zygote that formed after fertilization moves towards the uterus and the mitotic division starts, and this division is called a cleavage. The cleavage results in formation of 2-celled, 4-celled, 8-celled and 16-celled blastomeres. The blastomeres with the 8 to 16 cells is called a morula. Further, morula divides to form a blastocyst or a blastula. The blastomeres in the blastocyst are arranged into one outer layer called trophoblasts and an inner group of cells attached to trophoblast called the inner cell mass. The trophoblast gets attached to the endometrium of a uterus, and this process is called implantation, and that leads to pregnancy. So during pregnancy, what happens is the finger-like projections on trophoblast help in implantation and is called a chorionic villi. These chorionic villi that along with the uterine wall form functional unit between a developing embryo and a maternal body called a placenta. Placenta is attached with the fetus with an umbilical cord that transports food and oxygen to embryo. Placenta produces hormones such as human chorionic gonadotropin (HCG), human placental lactogen (HPL), and relaxin. Ovary will be continuously producing estrogen and progesterone. These hormones are produced in women only during a pregnancy by placenta. After implantation, the inner cell mass differentiates into an outer layer called ectoderm and an inner layer called endoderm. A mesoderm soon appears between the ectoderm and the endoderm. These three layers give rise to all tissues and organs in adults. It is important to note that the inner cell mass contains certain cells called stem cells, which have the capacity to give rise to all the tissues and organs. In human, after 1 month of pregnancy, the embryo's heart is formed. By the end of 2nd month, limbs and digits are formed. By the end of 12 months, major organs and external genital organs are well developed. The first movement of fetus is observed in 5 months. By the end of 24 weeks, the body is covered with the fine hair. Eyelids and eyelashes are formed. At the end of 9th month, fetus is fully developed. Once it is fully developed, signals for parturition originate from origin, and placenta inducing mild uterine contraction called a fetal ejection reflex. It triggers the release of oxytocin from maternal pituitary. The mammary glands of female start producing milk by the end of a pregnancy, and the process is called lactation. The milk produced during the initial few days of lactation is called colostrum, which contains several antibodies such as IgA, which strengthens the immunity of the baby.